This pandemic seems to have begun hurting the political future of the leader next door. Imran Khan's reluctance to act decisively is costing him dearly. He refused to bring stranded Pakistani citizens and students back from Wuhan. He questioned the effectiveness of a lockdown. He let populist clerics defy social distancing and conduct congregational prayers. And he let a scam-accused minister look after Pakistan's response to this pandemic. The result is this. The Supreme Court of Pakistan has called out the government's negligence. Pakistan's apex court says that Imran Khan government has not done anything to stop the spread of this virus. The Chief Justice of Pakistan, Gulzar Ahmad, has observed, and I'm quoting, the Prime Minister's cabinet has become ineffective. He seems distant from the rest. All provinces are doing whatever they desire. The government has only provided census to the court but hasn't legislated on the crisis. There is an army of ministers and advisors in place, but no work is being done. These are scathing comments. Most importantly, this is what the judge said. Corrupt people have been kept as advisors in the government, unquote. Corrupt people. There are many corrupt people in Pakistan, but in this case, the court was referring to one man in particular. The special assistant to the Pakistani Prime Minister on Health, Dr. Zafar Mirza. The Pakistani Top Court has not only questioned his credentials, but has ordered the removal of Dr. Zafar Mirza from his post. The court says there is no transparency in the work being done by him. In fact, the court said that there are serious allegations against the entire team of special assistants to the Prime Minister. A statement that falls short of directly questioning the man himself, Imran Khan, who, by the way, has demanded another loan waiver to deal with this crisis. Imran Khan says people are dying of hunger and he needs more money. Listen to this very basic demand that he's made.
I'm reaching out to the world community in the context of dealing with this unprecedented challenge posed by the coronavirus. The problem they face now is a lack of fiscal space. We do not have the money to spend on already the overstretched health services, and secondly, to stop people from dying of hunger. Therefore, I will be appealing to the world leaders, to the heads of financial institutions, to the Secretary General of United Nations, to launch an initiative that will give debt relief to developing countries to combat the coronavirus.
We do not have the money to spend, he says. But there seems to be enough money and time for cross-border shelling. Yesterday, there was an unprovoked firing by Pakistani troops in the Tangdhar and Karna sector of Kupwara district. 3 civilians, including an 8-year-old boy, died in the ceasefire violation. Forget the virus, Pakistani army is still killing innocents along the line of control. But back in Islamabad, Imran Khan just doesn't have the money to spend, he says. His pleas have been heard, by the way. The IMF is already considering a $1.4 billion loan to Pakistan. This is in addition to the $6 billion bailout package that Pakistan signed with the IMF in July last year. This is also in addition to $1 billion which the World Bank promised last month, and $1.5 billion by the Asian Development Bank, the ADB. In fact, the ADB has tripled its COVID-19 response package to $20 billion, and yet Pakistan continues to approach more and more donors for additional funds. None of us know where this money is going. The health advisor, Dr. Zafar Mirza, was once accused of smuggling 20 million masks out of Pakistan. And just last month, the Pakistan government spent lavishly on a Tablighi Jamaat Markaz in Lahore. Who knows if the smuggling and the splurge haven't stopped yet. I'm not saying that Pakistan does not need these funds. They probably do. The healthcare system is on the verge of collapse there. But there's definitely mismanagement in the allocation of these funds. Every penny that is being offered to Pakistan needs to be accounted for.